I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on PC using a controller. Valorant is primarily designed for keyboard and mouse, so native controller support is not available. To bridge this gap, you will need to use third-party software to map your controller inputs to keyboard and mouse commands. First, ensure your controller is properly connected to your PC. Once your controller is connected, select a reliable mapping software like Steam Input or Rewast. These programs allow you to assign specific keyboard keys and mouse movements to your controller's buttons and sticks. Pay close attention to customizing dead zones and sensitivity settings. Proper configuration here is crucial for achieving precise aiming and movement, making your gameplay feel much more natural. After setting up your mapping software, launch Valorant and adjust the in-game sensitivity to complement your controller settings. It is highly recommended to disable any mouse acceleration within Valorant, as this can lead to inconsistent aim. Remember, playing with a controller will feel different, so dedicate time to practice in the range and unrated matches to build muscle memory and improve your overall performance. For an edge, explore advanced techniques like gyro aiming, which can provide finer control for micro-adjustments, especially when sniping. Some controllers also feature extra back paddles, allowing you to bind additional actions without taking your thumbs off the sticks. This can significantly improve your reaction time and overall efficiency. Don't forget to check the description below for links to recommended mapping software, other helpful resources, and some great deals on gaming accessories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.